polite, knowledgeable, pleased to help, good staff. We needed one night's stay. To book in later in the day, the young lady on reception was polite, confident, and was able to deal with any and all queries. All staff seemed well motivated. Excellent stay. Outstanding. As a seasoned business traveler of many years, this is, by far, the loveliest hotel I have ever stayed in. Exceptional. What fantastic hard-working hosts. We stopped off on New Year's Eve on our way home to Cornwall from Hampshire, and they fit us into their special evening dinner. We'll definitely visit again. Great staff. Lovely luxury hotel in a peaceful location. Great staff, especially the breakfast waiting staff. Excellent staff. We had a lovely stay at the Lordleaze Hotel. The staff were extremely helpful. The waiting staff at breakfast were particularly excellent. Good value and everything we needed for an overnight stay. More than enough towels, tea, coffee, etc. Only staying for a night and breakfast. Staff were friendly, breakfast was good, and hotel was clean and tidy. No complaints. Exceptional. Very enjoyable overnight stay at the hotel, lovely surroundings, and evening meal was excellent, as was breakfast. Staff very helpful and friendly. Great hotel staff, welcoming, breakfast excellent, overall a very pleasant hotel. Good choice for Chard. I'd recommend the Lordleaze for anyone visiting Chard. The location is slightly out of the way, 15 minutes approximately walk from town center, but this does afford some extra peace and quiet which wouldn't be had in a more central location. Staff very friendly, welcoming, and accommodating. Enjoyed our stay. Good sized room. Quiet. But too many dogs for our liking. Superb restaurant. We had an overnight stay here and decided to eat in the restaurant instead of going out. Best decision. The meal was superb, which was even more amazing as there was a wedding party that evening and the kitchen must have been very busy. The staff gave us a room away from the main area so that we didn't get disturbed by the wedding party, which was very thoughtful. We didn't hear the music at all. The breakfast was delicious and plenty of choice too. Highly recommended. Lovely place to stay, really nice place to stay. Rooms were lovely and food in the restaurant was excellent. Breakfast was good but a bit expensive at £16.50 for what was on offer.